Hi, I'm Daniel from Happy Farmer, and today I will be showing you how to assemble the 9x8 broiler coop. So let's get started. To assemble the 9x8 broiler coop, you'll need an impact driver or a drill or a socket set. 4 sockets you need: 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 7/16, and 5/16. And you'll also need a set of wrenches to match that, or if you don't have wrenches, you can use a pliers. Also included with the coop comes the hardware bag, and inside there are smaller bags of nuts and bolts. Each one is labeled for its appropriate section on the coop. I will be assembling the 9x8 broiler coop in a few basic steps. We'll start with the side panels, followed by the peak bars and the roosting bars, the wheel kit, and then we'll add the accessories to wrap it up. We'll start with the back panel here. When assembling the side panels, make sure the wire is on the inside of the coop. And then when taking your 1/2 inch bolt, make sure you have a washer on before, and you'll need a washer on afterwards as well. And we will just hand tighten it for now. I like to hand tighten everything at the beginning and then tighten everything when everything is completed and assembled at the end. I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom. The bolt with the washer, followed by a washer on the other side and another lock nut. Also, when you grab your side panels, make sure that this wheel post here, where the wheel kit goes, is towards the back of the coop. All right, so we have all the bolts in the corners. Before I tighten everything, we'll put the roof peak on and also the roosting bars to help make the coop square. For the roost bars, there are 2 angled ends on the roost bar. The one with the sharper angle goes towards the back of the coop, and then the one that is almost a 90-degree angle will go towards the front, just beside the door. When you're mounting the roosting bar, make sure you grab the chain, which is in the latch bag, and there are 2 longer bolts in the bolt bag, and you want to chain the chain on the outside, as this will be holding up the wheel kit for us later, and then the roosting bar goes on the inside with a washer and a nut again. All right, to mount our wheel kit, start by loosening this big bolt here with the lock nut. All right, remove this bolt here, and you want to remove this big plastic washer and take the smaller washer, go through the wheel bracket, and then it's important to make sure this plastic washer goes between the wheel kit and the coop, and slide the big bolt through the coop. After you get the bolt through, big washer on the other side with the big lock nut on that side as well. And you're ready to tighten. All right, when you tighten it, make sure you tighten it, but don't over tighten, as you want this wheel bracket to be able to move a little bit. So for on each wheel kit, we have a hook. It's in the latch bag. The hook goes right through here, and that is what we will use to chain up the wheel in just a second, followed by a washer and a nut again. All right, side panels and the roost bars are all assembled. We're now gonna go around and tighten everything up, make sure it's all good and snug before we start on the accessories. So we're gonna assemble the door latch for the broiler coop. Start with the rod piece. This goes on the door, and then the latch will go on the frame of the door opening here. When you're assembling the door posts, you do not need a washer on this side, just a washer on the back. On the door latch, it comes with a little clip like this. This is designed to lock the latch if you need to. Hook it on there, this will keep it from opening. Also, we have the little cable here. What I like to do is go about 3 or 4 rows up, push the ring through to the other side, and that is what allows you to open the coop from the inside, so that when you go inside to feed, the door closes. While you're inside, you can simply pull this string and push the door out. All right, to mount the water tank on the back, the coop comes with 2 posts. Posts get mounted on the back, and then the water bracket will go on the top, and then the water tank sits on top of the bracket. So our bell water, we'll hang the bell water right here in the middle. For more details on how this works, you can check out another video. But for now, we'll just hang it here. Take the rope, loop it over the peak bar, and take the end of the rope, go through the hole in the center here, and pull it all the way through until you find the height that you like, and then we'll tie a small knot on the back of it there. And then the end of the hose goes right onto the end of the adapter there for the tank. And if you want to soften it so it goes on farther, you can do so and make it more permanent. All right, the tray feeders for the 9x8, it comes with 2 of these. You can hang these anywhere in the coop, and I'm going to hang mine as low as I can since I have smaller birds, but you can adjust it as your birds grow. For the tarp, make sure the hem is down towards the bottom and these black straps are underneath or inside the coop. So that's how you assemble our 9x8 broiler coop. For more information and videos, you can head over to our website at happyfarmer.store and see the list of products and accessories that we have.